I love having snowdrops in the garden, as the sight of their little white heads is such a welcome glimpse of impending spring. Many, many years ago, a very kind friend dug up some clumps of snowdrops from her very established garden for me to plant in my rather new patch. But over the years they have greatly increased in number, and now I have plenty to spare. The best way to plant snowdrops is in the green, i.e. transplanting them after they've finished flowering. I don't need any more in the garden, so I'm replanting them into old pots. I put a little garden soil or compost into the bottom of them. After digging up a big clump of snowdrops, I gently tease it apart to make several smaller clumps. Each small clump goes in its own pot, and I top up the soil and press firmly in. That one big clump of snowdrops has turned into 10 very generous little pots. And these 10 pots of snowdrops can now sit in a quiet corner of the garden very safely until I need them. And I can leave them for a year or even more. And it gives me much joy to pass the kindness forward and give away all of my extra plants, just as happened to me all these years ago.